If you've been following my work for any amount of time, you might be familiar with my fn_get_parameter function setup that allows you to dynamically pull values from the Excel worksheet into Power Query. We first pioneered this in M is for Data Monkey. You'll now find it in chapter 17 of my book, Master Your Data with Excel and Power BI. Now, the thing is, though, is it takes a lot of pieces to set up that solution manually. You've got to create the function, you've got to create the table, you've got to make sure the table has the right column names, the right table name. So wouldn't it be easier if all you had to do was just go to the Query Monkeys menu, click on Parameter Table and Function, and it just injected all of it and hooked the pieces together for you. And that's exactly what this monkey actually does. Now, one of the things we do recommend is that you save your workbook first, because once it's saved, we can return the folder path where this workbook is stored, as well as the actual file name for the workbook you're looking at. Now that's cool and everything, but I actually want to do a little bit more with this. What I'm going to work with here is that I've already pulled in a specific file into my query for January 2008. I want to retrofit this so that I can move this solution to another area, and my data folder, which is relative to where the workbook path is stored, is always going to work. So here's what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here where it says C demos. I'm just going to go hit F2 and I'm going to add to this formula here. We're going to go and add CSV S and a backslash and close the quotes so that we get C demos CSVs. And that's the root folder for my data. Now the actual component that I'm looking for my file name in this case here is going to be Jan 2008.csv. There we go. And I'm now just going to change this one here to say this and this one here. And I've now got the full file path to exactly where my file is stored. So with that done, what I can now do is I can go hop into my query. I'll just double click on it here. I'm going to go back to the source step. And instead of putting in the full file path here in quotes, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to call my function fn_get_parameter. We'll open up per parenthesis here and we'll type in file path because that is the name that we were actually using. Just make sure that everything looks good there. We'll click the check mark and boom, everything still looks quite nice here. So now if I go, let me just change the name of this query too, because that's a terrible name for something that's going to be dynamic. So at this point, I can now say close and load. And there we go, it's going to load its 2030 rows. That's pretty cool. And now if I come back here and just change in this one that I want the Feb 2008 CSV file, I should be able to go right click and refresh my data and now get all of the February records. So there you go. That is how we can go and very quickly inject the fn_get_parameter function from the Master Your Data book into your workbook completely for free. Thanks for watching this episode of Using Monkey Tools. To get your own monkey, visit our website at monkeytools.ca. Or if you subscribe to Skillwave's Self-Service Business Intelligence Academy, you'll get a free annual pro license included with your subscription. And remember, Monkey Tools was developed to support better Excel and Power BI solutions. If you want to learn how to really master these tools, you should definitely check out our full course catalog at skillwave.training.